I will talk today J. Krishnamurti's view on nature. He expressed in his writings. Born near Madras, Jiddu Krishnamurti or J. Krishnamurti was 14 when he was taken under the guardianship of Mrs. Annie Besant, socialist, reformer, and president of the International Theosophical Society at Adyar, near Madras. We now know this place as Chennai. She and her colleague C.W. Leadbetter believed that Krishnamurti was the vehicle for the Masiha whose coming the Theosophists had predicted. The Order of the Star in the East, an organization dedicated to preparing mankind for the coming of the world teacher, was formed in 1911 with Krishnamurti at its head. In the same year, he was brought to England to be privately educated and trained for his coming role. In 1929, however, he dissolved the order and relinquished the money and property which had accumulated in his name. He declared that truth cannot be found through any sect or religion, but only by freeing oneself from all forms of conditioning. You can form other organizations and expect someone else, he said. With that, I am not concerned, nor with creating new cages. My only concern is to set man absolutely, unconditionally free. Long recognized as one of the world's foremost spiritual teachers, Krishnamurti dedicated his life to speaking throughout the world. Staying nowhere for more than a few months at a time, he did not consider himself as belonging to any race or country. Over the years, his annual gatherings in India, at Ozai, California, at Sonnen in Switzerland, and at Brockwood Park in Hampshire attracted thousands of people of different nationality, occupation, and outlook. In 1973, he suddenly started keeping a journal. This journal also reveals to what an extent his teaching was inspired by his closeness to nature. With a full awareness to save the nature, he automatically talked about nature simply in each daily entries in his note. For example, he once wrote that if you lose touch with nature, you lose touch with humanity. If there is no relationship with nature, then you become a killer. Then you kill baby seals, whales, dolphins, and man, either for gain, for sport, for food, and for something else. Here we can remember the killing of the pregnant elephant recently in Kerala by such people. Krishnamurti said that then nature is frightened of you. Withdrawing is beauty. You may take long walks in the woods or camp in lovely places, but you are a killer and so lose their friendship. You probably are not related to anything, to your wife, to your children, or your husband. You are much too busy gaining and losing with your own private thoughts, pleasure and pains. You live in your own dark isolation, and the escape from it is further darkness. Your interest is in a shared survival, mindless, easygoing, or violent, and thousands die of hunger or are butchered because of your irresponsibility. You have the ordering of the world to the lying corrupt politician, to the intellectuals, to the experts. Because you have no integrity, you killed a society that's immoral. Because you have no integrity, you build a society that's immoral, dishonest, a society based on utter selfishness. And then you escape from all this for which you alone are responsible. To the beaches, to the woods, or carry a gun for sport. You may know all this, but knowledge does not bring about transformation in you. When you have this sense of the whole, you will be related to the universe. Thanks.